Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Xcode signing and scheme settings for simulators. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To restore Xcode signing and scheme settings for simulators, begin by launching Xcode. Once Xcode is open, navigate to your project in the Project Navigator on the left side. Select your project to open the project settings. In the project settings, locate the General tab at the top. Scroll down to the Signing and Capabilities section. Ensure that the correct team is selected under the Team drop-down menu. If necessary, click on the Add Account button to sign in with your Apple ID. Next, ensure that Automatically Manage Signing is checked. This option will help Xcode to handle signing certificates automatically. After verifying the signing settings, switch to the Scheme drop-down located in the top toolbar. Select the scheme that you want to restore for your simulator. Next, go to Edit Scheme from the drop-down menu. In the Edit Scheme window, check the Build section to confirm your target is selected. Then, select the Run section from the options on the left. In the Run section, ensure that the executable drop-down shows your app's target. If it displays something other than your app, select the correct target. Now, head over to the Options tab within the Run section. Confirm that the correct simulator is selected under Simulator. To ensure changes take effect, close the Edit Scheme window by clicking Close. Return to your project and clean the Build folder by selecting Product in the top menu. Choose Clean Build Folder from the drop-down. After cleaning the folder, proceed to build your project again by selecting Product Build. Once the build is successful, run your app on the selected simulator. Finally, verify that the signing and scheme settings have been restored by checking for any errors or warnings. You have now successfully restored the Xcode signing and scheme settings for simulators. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.